Good good afternoon, guys. Hope you're all doing. You guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. So, guys, in this video, I want to do a brief review of Ava Plus. Now, Ava Plus is an optional tool inside of the textbot AI platform, and it's one of those tools that pretty much can benefit anyone who has any kind of a business, whether it be online or offline. All right. So basically, Ava Plus allows you to create up to 20 text bots, right? With those bots, you could pretty much create the sequence, with basically the sequence in terms of what you want your bot to say, and it gives you a lot of freedom to control the flow of the conversation that you have, well, that Ava has with your potential prospects. So you can see here, this pretty much is self-explanatory. It gives you a breakdown of what you get. You can create up to 20 text bots. You can create a new text bot or click the sequence button to edit the flow of your text bot. All right, so that's pretty much what Ava Plus is. And as I said, it is a great tool for any business owner to utilize because it can not only, you know, have leads coming in for you, it can also actually have emails as well to help you build an email list to follow up with your prospects. Now, I'm going to give you an example of one of the flows that I did with Ava Plus. Try to figure out which one should I use. All right, I will go with the free money. Um, I know a lot of people may not need 20 text bots because most of us don't have 20 business opportunities that we like to promote. But at the end of the day, guys, still being able to create a bot for even if you have five, it's an added plus. All right. So this is pretty much the flow of how the bot is gonna go. Um, I don't think I set mine up entirely, but as you can see here, this would be the initial flow. This is what Ava is gonna say. And then you'll be able to customize everything here: outgoing, incoming, outgoing messages. So I customize the outgoing message here. So this is what it says. It's great to chat with you. Then you have the lead's name there. It's a tremendous opportunity to earn free money simply by completing offers. Check it out. And there will be my link right there. So you can literally customize this whole entire flow of conversation. So that way you can make sure that you can have your prospects hear what you want them to hear and then direct them to go to where you want them to go. Okay. Now there's training videos, of course. You can also add different keywords as well. So that way you can have your prospect text a keyword if you want them to text a keyword to your phone number, or if you just want them to call the number, they can do that as well. All right. You have your bot settings and you can create your actions here. Okay. Now, let me go and see if I created a keyword. I don't think I created a keyword for this one, but I'm just going to see if I did. I did create a keyword. So the keyword for this will be money. When someone texts that keyword, all the information will be sent directly to their phone. So essentially, you have a couple of different things in one with Ava Plus. You have a texting service, right, where text can be sent on your behalf with Ava Plus when someone texts a keyword to your number. Okay, you have automated bot that can answer your calls and direct your prospects to where you want them to go as well. So all of that is pretty much automation at its finest, guys, because all you would really have to do at that point is to promote your phone number, all you'd have to do is, promote your phone number or whatever it is that you choose to use to promote. And once your prospects contact your number or utilize your keyword, everything is done on autopilot for you. So that way you're able to build a list, you're able to build, a database of people that you can follow up with. And as we all know, email marketing will always be key. Fortune is always in the follow-up. All right, so let me go back to my text box for a second. Being an online marketer, guys, this is one of those tools that is very, what's what I'm looking for? It's very vital because not everyone wants to spend their time, right, talking talking to prospects about their opportunities over and over and over again, sometimes it can be a bit tedious. Now, I'm not saying that it's, it's not worth the effort. It can be worth the effort, of course, but what if there was a way to just automate that whole process, where you can get out the information that you need to get out to your prospects without you actually having to, talk on the phone with them or talk to them in Messenger and things like that. With Ava Plus, you have a system in place where you can pretty much create, a bot and have your bot do all of that explaining, selling, and telling for you about your opportunity or about your business or whatever it is that you're trying to promote. And again, you have up to 20 of them to utilize. So, in a sense, it's pretty much an extra helper, if you will. It's an automated virtual assistant that does the job for you. Okay. Now, I would recommend you guys, if you want to see how powerful it can be, you can dial any one of these phone numbers here, right? Or you can text one of the keywords. The keyword for this one is money. You can text a keyword to this phone number here and see how the whole sequence itself will be played out, right? And at the end of the day, guys, again, Ava Plus is, an optional tool. It's not required. But if you do decide to purchase the tool itself inside of the textbot AI back office, not only will you have a great tool in place, but you'll be able to put yourself in a position to earn, instant payments as well. So you have the option to earn instant $500 to $750 commissions on the back end as well, right? So you're getting a tool and you're getting an opportunity as well. And those commissions can add up over time, all right? So that's it for me, guys. I just wanted to do this quick review on Ava Plus. Give you a little bit of a breakdown of why I feel this is a great tool to have. All right. And you guys already know about textbot AI. You already know how beneficial that can be in itself. Earning $100 commissions by sharing a phone number or a website with others. You get resources with a textbot AI. You get the training that you need. You can keep track of all your resellers, right? All of your links will be here. You can keep track of your Ava Plus team as well. You can check out the leaderboard. Check out your leverage line as well. It's a whole bunch of different things that you can do with textbot AI. And let me go back to the main dashboard really quick before I wrap this up. Sorry about that, guys. So I'm going to go back to the main screen real quick here. Not that. Oh, another thing as well with Ava Basic as well, you can also customize keywords as well with that too. So you see, I already have a couple different keywords that I've tried out. I've gotten triggers on those as well. And overall, I feel that textbot AI as a whole with Ava Plus is a great way to automate, your business. It's a great way to build a list on autopilot, and it's a great way to earn instant commissions as well. So at the end of the day, guys, this truly is one of those opportunities that can benefit you in many different ways. All right. So let me go back to the dashboard here. If you think that it's not possible to earn with an opportunity like textbot, because there are other opportunities out there that are similar, and with this one here, let me close this out. That's not important. If you know about the pricing and things like that, I can do another video on that, later on. But back to what I was saying, the original point, guys, you can earn with an opportunity like this, because all you're literally doing is just sharing a phone number or you're sharing a website link, right, with people that are interested. And if you don't believe me that it's possible to earn with this is what I've earned to date with it, So this is not something that, is impossible to earn with. I'm not an expert, I'm not a rocket scientist, but I can show you proof that I've earned with this opportunity as well. There are countless others who have earned immensely more than that. And I'm not showing that to brag or boast. As you guys know, I'm not that kind of a person, but this is possible to be successful with as long as you're willing to stay committed to the process, making it work, sharing your phone number, sharing your website, sharing Ava Plus with others. This is something that's real. This is something that can benefit, many people, and something that simply works. Okay. So having said that, hope you guys have a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. All right, take care, guys.